there is still one thing about order that we have to implement, that is total and subtotal. So I will go then to the order item entity so that we may begin. The subtotal of an order item will be the quantity times the price. So I will define here a get field called subtotal, returning the calculation I just said. Then in order, I will define the get field total, which will return the sum of the subtotals of all of its items. So to achieve this, I will use the function reduce and use a lambda expression to sum all of the values. And I will also use here the optional chaining operator, because items is a relation of order, and therefore it may not be present. So instead of trying to access something that does not exist and throw an error, it will just return undefined. And lastly, it would be great if we could, when searching for orders and their items, bring together their totals and subtotals automatically, like if they were attributes. Luckily, this is not only possible, but very easy to achieve. First, I have to go back to the common module and here set up the class serializer interceptor globally, like this. I'll just quickly reload the window. Well, for some reason, the global enhancers tokens have some problems even when reloading the window. So I'll just import it here manually. Alright, now continuing. Alright, so with this, I can then go back to the order entity, and all I have to do is that over the total field, I'll use the expose decorator from class transformer and do the same here over subtotal. I will then save, and that's it. And now let's test as usual. I will then run the application. And in Insomnia, I will find this order again. And now we can see the subtotal of this item and the total of the order. If you want to see these fields with different values, you can create an order with many items. You should already be able to do this on your own. So I'll then just commit the changes. Using serialization to return get fields.